Hey y'all, it is Sunday. Yeah, happy Sunday everyone. But I have had, it seems like, a long weekend. I was so exhausted yesterday, y'all. Like, I ended up canceling my plans that I had. I was supposed to go to R&B only here in Atlanta, and I did not go. I was so exhausted. Friday was extra long for me. I went to work, then I had a venue walkthrough for a wedding I'm doing in March, and then after that I went to my little niece's play, The Lion King. And that was just like so amazing. I'll have to tell y'all about that later, but it was such an amazing experience. Loved it. But yeah, so my Friday was long, and then yesterday I had to wake up at the crack of dawn so we can record our second episode for our wedding podcast that we're doing. So I was just up so early, and like where we record at is like almost an hour away from me. So I had to get up, make the drive, and then also make the drive back. So by the time I got home, I went to sleep, okay? I went to sleep, and the girl that does my lashes, Chaz, huge shout out to her, because she comes to you. Like, she was such a lifesaver yesterday to get my lashes done in my home. Like, it's amazing. I love that, and I love that she offers that. But it was a mess yesterday. So after I got my lashes done, I was just home, and I was like, I don't feel like going nowhere because I'm so tired. And y'all know how y'all feel when you just don't want to be bothered with people. You don't want to be like, I didn't want to go out and have to bother with the crowd making my way through. It's just a lot that goes into it. So yeah, that's how my Saturday went. But I did get a chance to relax, and I love that for myself, okay? So it is Sunday, and I am doing a big Sunday reset right now. I am on my way to get my nails done, get my feet done, and relax, and probably get some shopping in afterwards. So yeah, I'm gonna try to take y'all along with me. So see y'all shortly. Bye. All right, y'all, so I am leaving the nail salon, and it is 2:38. My appointment was at 1, so it didn't take that long, and my nails look wonderful. Like, I love them. Yeah, I decided to go short this time and give my rounds up, give my almond shapes up. So now I am headed to go get my car wash, because yeah, got to get the car wash, okay? I like to take care of stuff, okay? And so I get my car cleaned constantly. I usually get it detailed on Sundays, but that is downtown, and I just don't feel like driving out there. So we just gonna do a quick little 1-2, and I'll go next week to get it detailed. But yeah, that's just how I'm feeling this weekend. I don't know why. It's just like, I'm just trying to chill. I'm just trying to, not do too much. And I deserve that, because for the whole month of February, I have been on go, like G-O, okay? Like non-stop. From actually, like this kind of started January 31st. Before like the ending of January, I have not took a break, because my birthday was coming up, and it was just a lot. And yeah, so like I've been on go, and so that, I think that's why I'm kind of like slowly like dying down. I am. and I deserve to relax. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. I am making a fried rice, and we're gonna have some egg rolls. I'm not making egg rolls, but you know, the air fryer is gonna make the egg rolls. But I'm gonna make some fried rice today for dinner. So I think I need to go pick up some more rice. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna probably stop by a couple of stores, cause yeah, I also like to do a little shopping on Sundays. I don't know why, like Sundays is like good shopping days. Don't be no sales or nothing. I wish. What if we had like Sunday would just be like a sale day. Like everything throughout the week that you didn't sell, you just go ahead and put that on sale on Sunday. That would be amazing. I would like that, because I'm always out in the stores looking for stuff on Sundays. So yeah. Peace. I will check in later. Y'all, I'm back. So got my car wash. I went to Marshall's. Now I only go to Marshall's for like, you know, like miscellaneous items, for like pots and pans, candles, lounge furniture, like things like that, because they have really nice stuff in there. So today I only went for facial towel, disposable facial towels. But the Marshalls by me in Fayetteville is so nice. I ended up finding some clothes too, and that's not very rare, especially in Marshalls. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I do not like to go through stuff. Like, that is the most irritating thing to me, when you have to sit there and go through clothing items to find what you want. Like, it's so time consuming. Why? Like, why am I about to sit there and keep going through all these clothes? Like, I just like to see it and then like kind of look for my size. I don't like to look at something and then the next thing behind it is something different. It's so time consuming. But this Marshalls was very organized, and it had a lot of stuff in there, so I'm pretty satisfied with my options today. And then I had to go to Publix, of course. Publix is like my favorite store. I love Publix. Literally, like, I can go down every aisle. I love Publix so much. But yeah, so like I said, I'm making fried rice and stuff when I get home, so I had to go pick up a couple of items for that. But yeah, I'm finally headed home now. I have to wash some clothes and just clean a little bit. The kitchen, kind of clean the bathroom, you know, getting ready for the week, right? All right, so I'll check back in. Bye. Where'd you go? Do you know how I've been living without you? Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it back on that. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it back on that. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time for making up time. The time you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, that's all.